Hello traders and welcome to the Daily Forex setup for April 23rd, 2019. We're looking at the dollar CAD here on a daily time frame, and you can see the structure. We're kind of right here in the middle of the range, and we're looking at this pair because of oil prices starting to move again and start to move higher. And as that moves higher, Canadian dollar should get a little bit stronger here. So it's a little trade to the downside here. And if oil prices continue to appreciate, we should see some follow through on this dollar CAD trade. Go down to a lower time frame here. Zoom in here a bit. Again, you can see that with the oil prices here on the day, we had some appreciation. We'd like to see if we can get a pullback here and get an opportunity to go ahead and get short here in the dollar CAD. So let's go ahead and take a look at let's go down to a lower time frame. Might be a little bit better. All right, so we're looking for a pullback of this move, which would put us right here into these lows here between the 50 and the 61.8. Take this one off. So we're looking to go ahead and get short, actually right there. So again, I'd like to see a pullback into around 133.60, even a little bit higher here actually. As a matter of fact, I would say to look for a short right around here, around 133.63, so just a few pips higher. And we're going to, again, look to the downside here, to the short side. Let's go ahead and take a look at risk. All right, as far as risk goes, we want to go ahead and risk it to right about here. And our target is going to be just a 2-to-1 risk reward here. And it's going to target, target these lows here once again. So it'll be a pretty healthy pullback. But here at the end of the day, going into the next day, you might get that pullback. So, but again, want to get onto the short side here of the dollar CAD. So kind of getting a little ahead of the game here. But if we can get a nice correction back into this area here, if you want to get aggressive, you can certainly look to the lows or the corrective lows all the way through here as well for a possible short. Otherwise, the ideal entry would be 133.63, stop at 133.72, and targeting 133.43. So again, hoping that we can get a little bit of a pullback with the markets kind of closed, and if we can get into this vicinity here, anywhere from 133.55 or so to 133.63. We'll look for any type of bearish move here, some type of rejection candle or aggressive move to the downside, and oil prices to go ahead and start appreciating here and start moving once again. Otherwise, if we can go ahead and get short 133.63 with that stop there, 133.72, and the target 133.43, gives us a risk reward of 2.06. So that's our daily Forex setup for April 23rd, 2019. Good hunting out there and happy trading.